Hey, good morning and welcome once again back to the shop here at New Traditions Dulcimers and Woodcrafts. Haven't posted a video in quite a while from the wood shop anyway. We've been doing other things. It's been a busy December. This is December 7th, 2020. We have been just going crazy here with Christmas orders and just bunches of stuff. So I just wanted to kind of catch everybody up on what's been happening. All of my small item orders are gone. We shipped out the last one, I believe it was last Wednesday, I think. That's when it went out. That was a bunch of pans and a bunch of hackberry bowls. We've had some great successes this Christmas season, and we thank you all. Thanks for everybody that watches these videos, first of all. And if you'd like to help us out here at New Traditions, we'd sure appreciate you subscribing and clicking the thumbs up button down below. Leave a comment, anything to help us out. There may be other ways in 2021 that you can help if you have a mind to. We've not gone that far quite yet, but we'll see what happens as January comes around. So nonetheless, an update of what's happening here at the Dulcimer shop. Dulcimers and ukuleles and guitars and all sorts of cool stuff. We have just really been enjoying working on the lathe. It's therapeutic to kind of get away from the instruments and take a big chunk of nasty hackberry, and here's a piece here, excuse me, here's a piece here that will be turned into a bowl of sorts with resin. And it's just a real blessing to be able to take this piece of wood and cast it into a resin and then turn it on the lathe and produce a beautiful bowl that somebody will put on their mantle or on their coffee table or wherever and enjoy it for decades. It's definitely heirloom wood turning. It's been a real fun time doing that. But now that's pretty much gone from us for now, for the season. And I'm back to dulcimers and ukuleles and the such. So I give you a quick update on what's happening. This is, let's see, we'll do it in order. These two dulcimers are sold, unfortunately. Unfortunately for you, not for me. But this is 863 and 864. Hang on. And here is 863 with its soundboard is ready. I was trying to avoid dropping anything. Of course I dropped something. So this is 863 and the soundboard will be attached today along with the fingerboard. This is master grade Oregon myrtle from Southern Oregon. And once this gets a finish on it, I wish you could see there's a little bit of it, the ribbon in this Port Orford cedar. It ends up looking like a curly maple. I mean, it is really something. So here's the top for that, 863. And then the customer wanted on 863, these are both going to the same customer. The customer wanted a 1.5 fret, a 6.5 fret, and a 13.5 fret cut into his fingerboard. So there's the maple fingerboard with Wenge fingerboard overlay, and then the saddle will go down here with this little piece of wood. It'll look something like this. This will be a nice complement down there at that end. So that's 863. Now also what I'm doing on these two dulcimers is the customer wanted strap pins on the dulcimer, so I make my own strap pins. This is made out of, I don't know if that's going to focus or not, that is myrtle wood. So I'll be doing strap pins out of the same wood. Well, anyway, you get the idea. So those are the strap pins for 863. And everything goes inside. And here is 864, which is going to the same customer, same style, 25-inch VSL teardrop with Oregon Master Grade Myrtle. Love this wood. Look at that sheen. And that is, there's no oil on this. Oh yes, there is. There's one real thin coat of oil I put on to keep them from having any weather problems. And then this is the Port Orford cedar top for 864. And here's the fretboard. Now I just glued these up just overnight, and they are still kind of messy. So there's a little bit of glue on them, but this one doesn't have the 1.5 fret. It just has the 6.5 and the 13.5. And it will also have the custom turned strap pins on this dulcimer as well. So that's it for these two. Now what else is going on here? There it is. We've also started 865 and 866. And they're going to be the same style. It's going to be 25-inch VSL teardrop. And this one's, the first one is, I don't know if it's 865 or 866, but this will be a cherry. This is the rail. Of course, the sides get bent like so. So this is the cherry. I've got, this doesn't have the 3-piece headstock. This is a piece of cherry that I just knocked out on the bandsaw and took it from there. So this is 865, we'll say, and it should be done, this will be a January build. And here's 866, and this is really a nice piece of black walnut that I got from our property here. Same thing, 1-piece headstock. I think from now on out, all of my headstocks will be the laminated 3-piece like 863 and 864. I just like the look of it better, and yeah. But this is a really nice piece of black walnut, and this was from our property here. So this one will also be a January build, and I'll be posting those on my Facebook page and on our website, www.newtraditionsdulcimers.com. So you can check and follow the building of those two. They will be teardrop shape, and I think I've been pondering this overnight, and I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do is on these two dulcimers, I'm going to put a sound hole right here, a round sound hole. These will be gone, and as in a ukulele or a guitar, this will have a single round sound hole right here, and it'll have a nice purfling around it. And just I've done a couple of those back in California, and they sounded great. So I'm going to try it for my first builds of 2021. They will be teardrops with a single sound hole, but you know, just like a guitar, just a single round sound hole down around the strum hollow, which will be just kind of different to a different way to start the year. That will be with 865 and 866. Now on my teardrops, what I do is I always build them this way. I attach the headstock, and I get the headstock almost completely done. I get the holes drilled. I get the edges softened a little bit, and then I make a way to attach the sides. With teardrops, you can do this. And then I will go from there and just start putting them around a mold and form the belly of the teardrop. And these will be done, like I said, these will be a January 2021 build. If anyone is interested in a 25-inch VSL New Traditions teardrop that will have a single sound hole down by the strum hollow, like an ukulele or a guitar has. And there will have some trim around the sound hole. I'm not quite sure what we'll do yet. Here's one idea, which I might do. I really like this rosette around this sound hole. And this is what I'm talking about. This is what the Dulcimer will have. It'll have a single sound hole and some sort of a rosette around it. I really like the way this rosette looks. So maybe I'll do something like that. Who knows? It's my company. It's my Dulcimers. I can do whatever I want. Anyway, and prayerfully it'll work and sound good. So that's what's happening here at New Traditions. Thanksgiving is over. I hope you all had a great and thankful Thanksgiving. We here have so much to be thankful for. This 2020 we've knocked it out of the park. It has been an amazing year here at New Traditions. 2020 was just, I mean, it's almost embarrassing to say how blessed we were in 2020 as a business and personally, but as a business, New Traditions really made a lot of progress in 2020. Christmas is coming up next, so we wish you all a very Merry Christmas in the spirit of Christ and in the true meaning of Christmas. We wish that upon you. Pray blessings for each one of you, and we look forward to 2021 without trepidation. We look forward to 2021 with anticipation and excitement and just wondering what it's going to be like. It's going to be a great year, regardless. If bad things happen, it's still a great year. We wake up every morning, we get out of bed, we get to come to my little shop here and make instruments. So how can you complain? And actually, we have nothing to complain about. Even those of us who seemingly struggled through 2020, very little to complain about. So that's my soapbox, and I'm off of it now. 863 and 864 will be finished soon. I talked to the customer, and we kind of decided together that due to all the shipping and all the weirdness that's going on with UPS and things like that, that we would ship after the new year. So these will be, which was great for me because it gave me a little bit of just breathing room. These will be shipped probably January 5th or something like that, going down to Texas. And then 865 and 866, I know they don't look like Dulcimers yet, but they soon will be. They will be probably completed in January 2021. Got a lot of things going on, got more wood turnings to do, more ukuleles to build, more Dulcimers to build. We thank you all. Thanks to each one of you who watch these videos and who support New Traditions, Dulcimers, and Woodcrafts, and just for supporting small business in general. You guys are crucial to our success. So we thank you from the depths of our heart for supporting New Traditions, Dulcimers, and Woodcrafts here in Somerset, Indiana. A small business, a one-man operation, I shouldn't say that, a two-person operation with my wife. And you have blessed us in 2020, and we pray that it will keep up. We pray that we're happy that we've earned your confidence, and we pray that we will keep your confidence in us as a business and in us as builders of high quality handcrafted musical instruments, ukuleles, dulcimers, Native American style flutes, bowed psalteries, and the one or two guitars that I build each year. So that's it. Lord bless you guys. Thank you so much for supporting New Traditions Dulcimers. Thank you for your support in the previous years, and in anticipation, we thank you for your support in the coming years. If you like this video and you like the content of seeing how our Dulcimers are made pretty much week by week, subscribe to the channel and click that little notification bell, and that way you'll be told when there's new videos that are available. I think that's all. Lord bless you guys. Have an incredible Christmas season. Enjoy the blessings of Jesus Christ upon you. That's what it's all about in this wonderful, blessed season. Lord bless you guys. Thanks for your support. subscribe to the channel. We will see you later.